After months of speculation, it's been confirmed a one-time meat worker and police officer will fill the state's top judicial role. Judge Tim Carmody will become Queensland's 18th Chief Justice of the Supreme Court.
Like any man filling a new position, Tim Carmody is nervous.
The first day of any job is daunting.
But the state's new Chief Justice assumes the high role in a cloud of controversy. Seen as a favourite of Campbell Newman, some on the legal sidelines have questioned his independence and apparent support of anti-bikie laws.
Nothing I've said was supportive or intended to be supportive of the particular law, but the right of the government to make those laws.
Corruption crusader Tony Fitzgerald, one staunch critic of the appointment, saying people whose ambition exceeds their ability aren't all that unusual. However, it's deeply troubling that the megalomaniacs currently holding power in Queensland are prepared to damage even fundamental institutions like the Supreme Court and cast doubt on fundamental principles like the independence of the judiciary.
It did hurt a bit, to be honest, to read it in the newspaper for the first time rather than hear about it privately.
Born on the Darling Downs to a modest family, he left school early for a job as a meat worker. He joined the police force, then turned his hand to practising law. In 2012, he headed an inquiry into child protection, eventually becoming the state's chief magistrate.
This bloke is the right bloke to take our courts forward for the next 10 years. He will be an inspirational leader.
Judge Carmody's rise to join these esteemed ranks has been anything but conventional. He hasn't been a justice of the Supreme Court, and it's understood he is the first chief magistrate to be elevated straight to a state's top judicial position.
I don't claim to be the smartest lawyer in the room. I'd like to be given the opportunity for people to judge me by what I do rather than what other people say about me.
Joel Dry, 9 News.